Getting started with MODIS version 6, Surface Reflectance Data Part 2, Using the Data, presented by the Land Processes Distributed Active Archive Center, or LPDAC. This is Part 2 of the Getting Started with MODIS version 6 Surface Reflectance Data video series. This video will cover what surface reflectance means, Aqua and Terra MODIS surface reflectance data products, the scale factor of the data, and other data values, and various MODIS band combinations. Surface reflectance is the amount of light reflected by the surface of the Earth. MODIS surface reflectance data products provide an estimate of the surface spectral reflectance from the ground with atmospheric correction. Surface reflectance is a unitless ratio of surface radiance to surface irradiance with a value that typically falls between 0 and 1. MODIS version 6 surface reflectance products are distributed as a hierarchical data format or HDF files. The HDF files contain all of the science datasets or SDS for the MODIS data product. The Digital Object Identifier or DOI landing page for each MODIS version 6 surface reflectance product lists all of these science datasets under the data layer characteristics table. The science datasets will differ between the MODIS version 6 surface reflectance products. However, most MODIS version 6 surface reflectance products will contain 7 surface reflectance bands. The 7 MODIS surface reflectance bands have a spectral range from 459 to 2,155 nanometers. Here is a visual representation of the science datasets stored within a MOD09A1 HDF file. MOD09A1 is the Terra MODIS version 6 8-day surface reflectance 500 meter level 3 gridded product. The HDF file for the product contains 7 surface reflectance bands, quality information, information about angles of the sun and satellite, and the day of the year. If your search involves calculations of MODIS version 6 surface reflectance data, it is important to know that a scale factor must be applied to the data before you complete your calculations or work with the data. For MODIS version 6 surface reflectance products, a scale factor of 0.0001 should be applied to the 7 surface reflectance bands, resulting in data values typically between 0 and 1. Data values that fall outside this range are considered fill values. The other science dataset in the HDF file have either a scaling factor of 0.01 or do not have a scaling factor. Users can apply a scale factor to their data via a data script recipe through manual calculation or in a Geographic Information System (GIS) program. To learn more about specific scale factor, fill values, and valid ranges for the various MODIS version 6 surface reflectance products, please see the DOI landing pages on the LPDAC's website at lpdac.usgs.gov. Stacking the surface reflectance bands in different combinations can emphasize different aspects of the Earth's surface. Today we will demonstrate 3 band combinations using the MOD09A1 product. Band stacking can be done using several programs. Today we will show you how to stack bands using Multispec, a free program that allows users to interact with and analyze remote sensing data. The band combination 143 creates a true color image and is a representation of how the human eye would see the area. Here is a view of part of Europe using the 143 band combination. Vegetation is shown as green, the snow in the Alps is white, and the barren areas are tan or brown. Another band combination is 367, which highlights snow and ice. Here's the same location shown using the 367 band combination. In this band combination, the snow in the Alps is shown as red, ice and clouds as light pink, clouds are white, water is shown as a dark red, vegetation is green, and deserts are a light blue-green color. The third band combination, 721, is used to observe burn scars on the Earth's surface from fires. This band combination is especially useful in areas that have a lot of wildfires throughout the year. For example, the western United States, shown here, had a lot of fires in 2016. Using the 721 band combination, we can see some of the burn scars from these fires. Here's the same Terra MODIS image enlarged and reprojected to Universal Transverse Mercator, UTM, for a better view of the burn scars in California. In the 721 band combination, burn scars are shown as red to reddish brown, vegetation is green, deserts or other naturally bare soil is pink, and water is black or dark blue. For examples on how MODIS surface reflectance products can be used in scientific applications, visit the LPDAC website. The Publications has relevant literature, the Data and Action section has short stories about scientific applications, and the e-learning page has tutorials, presentations, and other product resources. Thank you for watching our videos. For more information on MODIS version 6 surface reflectance data, please visit the LPDAC website at lpdac.usgs.gov.